Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make these tasty chocobar ice creams at home. These chocobar ice creams have creamy vanilla center and a thick chocolate shell outside. They are very delicious and they are very easy to make. To make these ice creams in a bowl, I have taken half cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of cream, fresh cream or whipping cream, whichever is available to you, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk this mixture well until the sugar dissolves. Believe it or not, that's it, our ice cream base is ready. Now take a ladle and pour this ice cream mixture into the molds. I am using my regular kulfi molds. You can use whichever molds or even a simple steel glass that is available to you at home. After filling all the molds, I am filling the leftover ice cream mix into a steel glass. This will work just as fine as a mold. This ice cream mix is very creamy as we have used a lot of cream in this recipe. If you don't want to use cream or if it is not available to you, you can substitute the cream with condensed milk. Now I am simply placing a aluminium foil on top of the molds. Make small cuts in the aluminium foil and insert the ice cream sticks into the small cuts. The process of making these ice creams is very easy. You can even make this as a fun activity with your kids and enjoy some ice creams at home with your kids. They will definitely love this recipe and you'll have a good time with them too. Now our ice creams are ready to go into the fridge. Do the same with the steel glass mold too. Cover it with the aluminium foil, make a small cut and insert the ice cream stick into the mold. We'll have to freeze these ice creams for at least 10 hours or overnight. The next morning, here I am preparing the chocolate shell. To make the chocolate shell, in a bowl I have taken 250 grams of dark chocolate compound and to that I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Melt this chocolate on a double boiler or you can even use microwave oven to melt the chocolate. I have placed this chocolate on a double boiler to melt it. You can use coconut oil or any flavorless vegetable oil to make this chocolate shell. Here our chocolate has melted completely and looks ready. Take this out from the double boiler and let it cool down completely. It is very important that the chocolate has to cool down completely and only after that transfer this into a tall glass. Keep this aside. Now take out the ice cream molds from the freezer. Remove the aluminium foil. Carefully demold the ice creams. We have to work very fast now. After demolding the ice cream, dunk the entire ice cream into the prepared chocolate shell coating. When this melted chocolate comes into contact with cold ice cream, it will harden within no time. Simply hold the ice cream upside down to let the excess chocolate drip off and it will harden within 1 minute. You can see the chocolate shell has formed immediately. Our first chocobar ice cream is ready. You can have them right away or you can even store them in the freezer for up to 1 week. Make all the chocobar ice creams in the same way. Simply demold the ice cream, dunk this ice cream entirely into the melted chocolate. Let the excess chocolate drip off by holding the ice cream upside down and it will harden within 1 minute and you will be left with a tasty chocobar in your hand. You can even add some chopped nuts on top of this ice cream when the chocolate is still a little wet. Look how beautiful this looks. Make this ice cream at home with your kids and enjoy them. Just make sure that the melted chocolate has completely cooled down before dipping your ice cream into the chocolate, otherwise the ice cream will completely melt down. Do try these at home and let me know how it goes for you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.